What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Armanibaeee, and I am back at it again with another video. And today's video, we are doing my trip maintenance. Girl, I gotta get my booty fingers done. I gotta get my feet together. I gotta get my hair together, even though it looked together, but this is not the wig I'm wearing out of town, okay? I just pulled up to the nail shop. They're literally about to close in an hour, so I really have to get in there. We got a few errands to run today, but I'll tell you about that a little bit later. A little tip I want to tell the girls, since I'm in nail school. These things right here are contaminated. Girls, keep it cute. I'm on YouTube, babe.
Did a copy?
Oh, yeah, I took a copy.
YouTube too.
She do YouTube?
How about it?
Okay. She better keep going. Thank you. Y'all, the nails is eaten, just like the skin is eaten. On to the next destination. I can drive with one hand and vlog at the same time. Okay, so since we clearly have time to talk, right now I'm getting a car wash. Since I'm getting ready to go out of town, I'm not going to tell you where I'm going right now. I probably already did. But I'm not going to tell you where I'm going right now because it's classified right now. Going out of town on Thursday, so I'm just trying to make sure everything's set in stone at home before I go jumping on a fucking flight. I'm getting my car washed. I'm going to clean the inside out. Like I told you guys, I need to get some makeup brushes for cause I don't do makeup, but I do a little beat. It be cute, so I just want to perfect my craft, if I shall say. After this car wash, I'm gonna run home, go change the fit. Well, I don't think I should. I'm probably not gonna go home and change the fit, but I'm gonna run to Five Below and do what I need. Car washes are like so calming. Just super calming. I'm good. They don't have any packed mustard, which is sick. This is unsanitary. They're doing heavy as shit. And some of these people really don't know how to drive. Really. Good old hot dog and some chips. Per usual. I'm telling you, St. Louis, they're both fun. I got these disinfectant wipes that I like using, that I got for my job, and I've just been using them to get the stains on my car. Well, not stains, but like little, just disinfecting it. For chit chat, girl talk, y'all. I really have been trying to reinvent my YouTube channel. I want more of an engaging audience, people that will comment. Please don't be scared to comment. Like, I comment back, even if it's ignorant. I probably won't respond, but more of an engaging audience. It's really what I wanted. Just reinventing myself, trying like new editing styles, and, you know what I'm saying, just really going all in, more eye-catching things, just these little changes that I want to make within my YouTube channel to help me. A lot of things I want to stop doing, like I'm going to stop cursing or like blurting out my curse words, switching it up, y'all. Like, I hope y'all are ready. All these different little brushes, like these. Let me see any in pink. Oh, hold up. Now these could possibly work. I don't know. What's between those or like these? 'Cause I want a little holder. I don't know. It's hard to explain. Yeah, like these ones right here, these are more of what I'm looking for, like right here for real. So you can put those in the cart. Unfortunately, I'm not seeing any makeup bags, but oh my gosh, this is really cute. Like, I think this is for the plane. It says travel sleep set with the earplugs, period. That's so cute and classy. I might get it. Maybe I should just clean mine. I don't know. Oh my gosh, they got the little ice thing. I always wanted one of these. So put that in the cart. Holds up. It's my baby. Hey. This is about the same size as the one I had before. Well, the one that I have now. So that's not gonna cut it. I've been seeing the girls use a cream blush. Oh, but it's like, what shade is for me? I don't know. I might try this one right here. I just don't want to look like no clown. I'm not here for that. And I love a good book. Like, I own a library card. I like books that you could learn something from. You know, let's read a book. Waste time reading a book. Art of War. I might get it. I don't know. Part of me wants to get like both of them. For some odd, weird reason, I smell like I just walked out of Bath and Body Works. But y'all, look at my car. Doesn't she look so shiny? Someone just asked me what type of content do I film. I film whatever I feel I need to film. Mostly I do travel vlogs, as y'all can see. I'm really starting to get more into like showing you guys my life and my everyday life and what I do. But I don't have a niche. I pick and pull from so many different places and do so many different things. A girl with a camera and some really good editing skills. Semi. That's all I got. Okay guys, I am back at home. Just got the shower, winding and everything. This is Cody. Follows me on the house. I wait on my laptop to finish updating. Waiting for it to finish updating so I can get to editing today's video. I hope you guys love today's video. It was actually kind of nice, you know, talking to you guys and bringing you guys with me throughout my day. That was actually something I could get used to. I'm going to be uploading every week. New videos every week. You can mark my words. You can mark my words. Okay, tuning in, clocking in each week for a new video. I can't wait to see you guys in next week's video. I'm going to Atlanta. If you stay to the end of the video, now you know where I'm going. You are the first to know, so please feel special. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe down below, because what are you doing if you haven't subscribed yet? Tune in for next week's video and weekly content. Okay, I love you guys. See you guys in the next video.